Alright, hello there guys. I'm back again with another video. Um, so this isn't really going to be a tutorial video as such. Um, I've actually been working on a project of my own for a little bit with pygame. Um, just a side view sort of jumping game. So obviously jumping between platforms that are going horizontal. Um, yeah, so currently I can show you what I've got. I just kind of wanted to showcase what I've got, just so I can, for future reference and stuff. So obviously, you can't jump when you're not on a platform, whatever. It is quite buggy at the moment. Obviously, it's impossible to win because the jumping between platforms doesn't currently work. That's something I have to work on. So you want to jump. Oh, okay. The jumping's pretty buggy as well. Um, but obviously, this is not finished. This is just currently what I have. Um, that one's going to be impossible to win. So after I get to the second platform, okay, so this one here should, if I jump up a little bit, so you can see I jump onto the next platform, and then I could not jump to the third platform. So that's currently what I got. As you can see, it's printing a list. This is just a list of rectangles that I'm storing in a list. So that's like up here somewhere. There it is. So it's defining a platform which is being spawned by this function here, which is appending three lists, an x list, platform X, which is the moving, so that they're moving left to right to left all the time. Platform Y, which is the height, so it's randomly generating height, which is something that obviously I need to work on because it's a bit buggy at the moment. I do know that. I just need to correct the thing so it's spawning about 10 apart, so you can always jump up onto the next one rather than one being right at the bottom and one being right at the top and not being able to jump that high, because obviously you can't jump when you're not touching a platform, which is something that I've limited by checking for a collision. So um, if the uh, character is colliding with the platform here, you can see that the Y position is not changing unless you press the space key, by which it's going upwards, minusing. Obviously, the higher number you go, the lower. So that would be, if you're going to press plus, it would go down when you press space. These two lines here are also checking for collisions with the platform. So you can change. Obviously, if I change this with just this line here, and you're halfway through the platform, it's just going to keep going. It's not going to stop you because I'm only detecting whether the bottom of your square is contacting with the platform, the top of the platform. So what I did with this was, if you're between the platform parameters, x parameters, each x end, and your character is halfway in the platform, you automatically get moved up onto the platform. So this means that I can change this number a lot more, because if I had it on 2 before, it was going through the platform as you landed on it, because it was dropping too fast so it was going from, like, say 1 above with a 1 gap between it and the platform, and then dropping down 2, so it was going below the 1 line that it was detecting, and so it was bugging out, and you would always just fall through platforms and never be able to land on them, obviously because of the random Y value of it. So that's what I fixed by doing those two lines there. The reason I wrote 2 was partly to keep it less code going out this way onto the extra space, so the lines weren't long, and also because it's easier to read. So like this one here being the Y position for just that original platform. If I run the game again to show you. So, it's not working. There you go. So this original platform here, then you jump onto this second platform, whatever. See, so you can see it bounce back up onto the top of the platform there. and that's what those do, to stop you just falling straight through it. Obviously, if the bottom of your square is not touching the platform at all, then you continue to fall, and that is something that I do want to be part of the game. I don't want it to be buggy, but I've fixed it since. I can probably remove that line now because I know that it works. But yeah, that's currently all I have other than the pause screen working. Obviously, the pressing the buttons is still a little bit glitchy, which I need to work on. But I mean, other than that, the game is functionable, and you can jump occasionally. Oh, I couldn't jump there because it's not letting me for some reason do the jumping. But either way, it still works. It's pretty fun. I mean, it could be better if it wasn't as glitchy, but obviously that's something I'm going to work on when I get to fixing everything, because I still obviously have a lot of work to do on it. The code is quite long, gets quite long down here. But anyway, thanks for watching this showcase video of the progress that I'm making on this game at this point. I'll keep you updated as I go along, probably every few days sort of thing, because I'm not exactly working on it all day every day and not getting much progress done on the days that I'm working on it, because I don't always have a lot of time on my hands. Even though it is holidays, I also have study to do stuff. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll keep you updated. See you.